SIU gave Narcan, a drug that reverses overdoses, to students today. They say they want students to know how to stop an opioid overdose.
Local addiction treatment centers say this is a good thing, especially with opioid use once again on the rise. News 3's Madeline Parker has more.
You ever heard about Narcan?
The SIU School of Medicine asked that question to dozens of students, trying to educate them about the life-saving drug.
Narcan is a drug that can be used to reverse an opioid overdose. So if someone is overdosed on something like pain pills, fentanyl, heroin, this drug can actually reverse that overdose at a molecular level and bring them back around, hopefully saving their life.
By giving out the drug along with teaching how to use it, those at the School of Medicine hope to curb rising overdose trends.
Current evidence is showing that opioid overdoses and fatalities are actually going up during the last 2 years of the pandemic. So we're trying to bring out the Narcan in response to that.
The CDC reports that overdose deaths were accelerated during the pandemic. Locally, opioid use was lower than previous years when the pandemic began.
Over the last 3 to 5 months, we're starting to see an increase of the fentanyl use come back up. Now, it's not every county in the region, but we're seeing pockets of it in certain regions where it is an increase.
Addiction experts say that just because the COVID pandemic has been at the forefront of people's minds doesn't mean the opioid epidemic has gone away.
People are still using. People are still dying from use. In fact, we've seen an increase of use during this time because of isolation, because of lack of supervision, because of amounts of downtime.
As opioid use continues, local health experts hope that by educating the public on how to stop overdoses, more lives can be saved.
People should know that this is a very safe drug. It's a very effective drug. It's actually quite dramatic in its ability to bring people back from an overdose. And no one reaches recovery if they die before they ask for help.
In Carbondale, Madeline Parker, News 3.